Do you ever feel like your mind is so full that even relaxing feels hard? Sometimes even drawing can feel like pressure, because we think it has to look good to be worth doing. In this video I'll show you a simple no-skill drawing method that can help you relax, breathe and quiet your mind in just 5 minutes, with no talent, technique or judgment required. The fastest way to relax with drawing is to stop trying to make a picture. Use a pen like a breathing tool. That's a shift. Because the moment you try to make something good, your mind starts working again. It judges, it corrects, it performs. And that is the opposite of calm. But when the drawing is no longer about the result, your attention has somewhere much simpler to go, into movement, breeze and rhythm. So let's do it together. Put your pen on the paper and now begin one continuous line. As you breathe in, let the line rise. As you breathe out, let the line fall. That's all. If your exhale feels heavy, press a little more firmly and let the line become starker. If the breeze feels softer, let the line soften too. You are not making art to impress anyone, you are giving your inner state a place to land. And when your hand and your breath begin to match, something changes very quickly. The noise in your head stops and your focus goes to the rhythm. So keep going. Inhale, the line rises. Exhale, the line falls. No anatomy, no perspective, no right way. Just your hand translating your breath onto paper. And that is why this works so well. Your brain gets one quiet job only. Stay with the line, stay with the breath, nothing to fix. Nothing to achieve. And now while you keep drawing, begin to notice your body. Can you feel the air moving in through your nose? Can you notice whether the breath moves more in your chest, in your ribs, or in your abdomen? Just observe. Don't judge. What is your jaw doing right now? Is it tight? Are your teeth touching? And what about your tongue? Is it pressed up against the roof of your mouth? Or is it resting softly? Then notice your shoulders. Are they lifted? Is one moving? Are they holding effort you don't need? And what's with your feet? Are both feet on the floor or are your legs crossed? Again, don't change anything, just notice. And while continuing, you stop asking, does this look good? You start noticing, how do I breathe? That's a shift. You can't do both, and that's where you calm down. It's not about making the line perfect. It's about to start to create, and this is the beginning of all art. Now let's take it a step further. Take an eraser and move back over the same page. This time, instead of adding, you are softening. Again, let the movement follow your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let the eraser move the same way the pen does. For the next minute, don't try to make anything beautiful. Just notice where your energy is right now. If your mind feels crowded, come back to the breath. If your body feels tense, notice where. And go back to your jaw. How does your jaw feel? How does your tongue feel? Are your teeth pressed onto each other? And how about your shoulders? And then go with your mind to your hands and to your feet. And then go back to your breathing. Where can you feel the breath more clearly now? In your abdomen? In the ribs? In the chest? Don't judge any of it, just observe. The goal is to give your nervous system a moment where it does not have to solve anything. You are drawing in total presence. And from that place, creating becomes lighter. It's not about to become a better artist in 5 minutes. It's to open the doorway into art. And if you feel completely blocked when you sit down to draw, you can download my free drawing guide. It will help you to reconnect with the process in a simple way. And if you want an ongoing support, you can join me on Patreon, where I share daily prompts to keep you in the flow. You find the links in the description. And let me know in the comments if this no-skill drawing method worked for you. I would like to hear about your experience. And if you want to have more exercises, you can watch this next video.